a capacity building project entitled A Social Pursuit Through Popularization and Product Diversification of Ethnic Crafts on Textiles with ICT Application is an ongoing project under All India Coordinated Research Project on Home Science. Under this project, the CT component of College of Community Science, Assam Agricultural University has developed some diversified woven products, namely area rug, tapestry, cushion cover, table runner, placemat set, and tea tablecloth with designs which were developed through CAD software by fusion of different woven motifs of Assam. Plain weave with dobi attachment was used with cotton as warp and jute in weft. Description of the products. Area rug. Area rugs aid a very important design elements when creating a space. It is used to cover a small space or only a part of the floor of a room. Area rugs can be used to divide the space into separate living areas. Traditional designs with beautiful color combination, the area rugs can be a beautiful accent in any room. Runner. Runner is a narrow length of cloth laid on the table or on a bare table. It is used in many different ways, to decorate the table or to protect the surface. They are also used to create visual balance for full space settings. Cushion cover. It is a fabric cover often with a decorative design designed to protect a cushion, is used specially on chairs for sitting or leaning on. Cushion covers are found in many different sizes and shapes. The most common shapes are square and rectangular. Tapestry. It is a piece of thick textile fabric with pictures or designs formed by weaving colored weft threads or by embroidering on canvas, used as a wall hanging or soft furnishing. In tapestry, weft threads are more visible with colored threads, generally used cotton or wool yarns. Placemat. It is a piece of cloth, paper, or plastic put on a table under someone's plate and eating utensils. Placemats are the perfect table accessories to transform any table setting. Placemats are made in assorted sizes and shapes. The most popular size of rectangular placemats is approximately 12 inches wide by 18 inches long or 14 inches wide by 20 inches long. The standard size for square placemat is 13 inch into 13 inch. The developed products have great scope for entrepreneurship development. Popularization of these products is going on among the weavers of adopted villages to make them capable of being empowered with this ethnic craft, which will ensure a sustainable livelihood. In connection with this project, a hands-on training was organized of 5 days duration. A total number of 30 weavers of different HSGs of 5 adopted villages were participated. During this training, different topics related to hands-on training such as diversification of handloom products, marketing and marketing linkages, entrepreneurship development, and cost estimation were discussed. The trainees were taught different improved techniques of weaving such as drum warping, denting, heedle formation, preparation for hirok, tying of hirok, design development through dobi attachment, weaving, and product development. also distributed among the trainees. The scientists involved in this project: Dr. Nobonita Gogoi, Parishmita Neok, Senior Research Fellow, and Dibyashree Saikya, Technical Assistant. The price ranges of the products are cushion cover 200 to 500, area rug 800 to 900, runner 480, placemat 70 to 100, tapestry without framing 550 to 650, runner and placemat set 950 to 1150. The price may vary depending on size and number of colors used. You can contact us in the following email IDs and phone numbers. We, the research team of AICRP CT Component, express sincere gratitude towards Directorate of Research, Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, for their constant supervision, and ICAR Siva, Bhubaneswar, for financial support to carry out the research.